Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable the Tap to Show Next Media feature on Telegram. This setting makes browsing photos and videos and chats much smoother, letting you simply tap to move between media instead of swiping manually. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will open up the main navigation panel. From here, tap on Settings. This is where all your Telegram preferences and customization options are located. Once you're inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your chats look and behave. Now, scroll down until you find the Media and Sound section. This is where Telegram groups all options related to images, videos, and audio playback. Here, you'll see an option called Tap to Show Next Media. All you need to do is toggle it on, and that's it. With this feature enabled, you can simply tap on the screen while viewing photos or videos in a chat to instantly move to the next one. It's a small change, but it makes browsing media much faster and more convenient, especially in chats with lots of shared content. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your app.